Silipin ko lang to. Silip. Okay guys, so dito kami, so pwede rin dito 2 stairs, and nandito kami sa likod, house tours, newly house, dito ang kitchen, tapos mayroong spiral pataas sa back to, and then kitchen, and toilet. Ayan. Here. Dining area to. Dining area, cooking area. Wala pa siya, hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi yan tayo. Ano lang siya, formica. Ayan. And then, center take. Ano yan? Di, may tawag dyan eh. Ito kitchen, main dining kitchen. This is the kitchen, dirty kitchen. And here's the main kitchen. And bar area. Dining area. It's American house. Divider. 2-door ref. Abri anay ka. Ayan. Wala pang laman kasi hindi pa ito tapos. Right? And then we go to this one. Pantry area. Ayan. Pull out. And this one. And then we go here. Ito, dining, toilet. Ang shower. Highlight shower. Ayan. And then, all digital. 14M. Hindi pa tapos? 50,000? Isang slot lang yan, ha? Isang slot. Ilang slot to?
Ilang slab po to. Mga kwan po to. Mga 5 slab lahat.
20 slot. Tapos. And then touch.
Ito po mga switch niya. Puro smart switch na ikukunik ko lahat sa kwan.
Sa phone. Sa phone. Mga muebles. Tapos. So, akyat tayo sa taas. Akyat tayo. Main door, ha?
𝐤𝐢𝐤𝐲, maganda daw. 𝐤𝐢𝐤𝐲.
Yes. Akyat tayo. Shout out. Bahay ni Jeff. Ayan. Gandang wall. This is the second floor. Yan. Kaya mahal kasi nga block. Dito muna tayo sa terrace. Ayan. Ay, dapat ulitin ko kasi dapat pasina. Pasina. Electric lahat.
Ayan.
Master bedroom. Push button. And then, yung closet. Ayan. The closet. Ayan. And then, toilet. Push button din. Japan closet. Japan. Ito yung punta tayo sa kabila. There's 5 rooms. 5 rooms. Here, ito maliit lang to. here, maliit lang din. Here, ayun. Matic pala siya. Yan. Okay. Hi. So, baba na tayo. One of the room. Yan. Hindi wala pang ilaw. And toilet. Hi. And second room. Fully air conditioned. Closet. Yan. And then, hi ulit. Hi. Ayan, here's the sofa area. And the master bedroom. Ito yung mas malaki ng kwarto. Here again, closet area. Toilet. Push button. Electronics. Shower. Here. And then, going down. Pakita ko muna yung terrace pala. Ito terrace. Actually, po terrace dito. Ayan. And going down. Ito yung hallway. Gandang hallway. And wall pala. Wall type. Worth 14 million. Two bedroom. Another. Okay. Main door. Yeah, main door. Main door. Salon area. And the two rooms. Two rooms. Another room. And toilet. Oh! Digital ang salamin. Here and going here. Bathroom for everyone. Here we get with mirror, right? With light, 3 lights.
The other side. I'm gonna make sure the other one. Here.
This is Ate. Ate, say hi, hello.
Hello!
Yeah.
This is our office. This is the bedroom for the older sister.
Yeah. Pindot-pindot lang. And the toilet, yes. Everything is complete. Everything is pindot-pindot.
Everything the
And good Nara. And the stairway. Then we go to the main kitchen, dining area. Here. Yes.
Okay lang sa inyo kasi.
Oo. Here. Another kitchen. And then toilet for the workers, I think. Thank you for the house tour. Yes, and we... Yes, yes. Here pala, hindi ko pa nakuha dito. I like this one with poste. And here, say hello.